want to build a nightstand, but I don't want it to be a normal nightstand. I want it to have a secret drawer, but I don't want it to look too obvious. Now, when someone looks at a nightstand, they typically look at the front of it. So how do you hide something in plain sight? Well, I think putting the secret drawer on the side of the nightstand will be a great way of hiding that, as a normal nightstand doesn't have a drawer coming out of the side, and it would be less expected. So I got to work building a nightstand. Now, I made this nightstand out of maple wood, from a maple tree that we milled down years ago. But here it is completed. Now, the main drawer has a push-to-open drawer slide in the front. And the bottom of the nightstand is open. And this looks like a typical nightstand. But what makes this nightstand special is the secret pop-out drawer on the side. And this uses a push-to-open drawer slide as well. Now this drawer on top doesn't look like a drawer, and it was made to look like a piece of joinery that holds the whole cabinet together. But in reality, it's just a false rail. And if you didn't see me open the side drawer, I don't think you would expect a drawer there at all. Now, I didn't record the building process of this nightstand as I'm relatively new to woodworking, and there was a lot of trial and error. And like I said, it took me over a month to build this, and way too much time. And if I did film it, it would be a lot of me standing around thinking about how I'm going to make these two drawers work without colliding into each other and without making the secret drawer look like a drawer. But I plan to film more projects in the future. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later, guys.